Hi, students. Good day. Welcome to this class. I trust and hope that you're all doing well. It's great to have you once again. And so today we continue looking at the topic, a very important topic, the attributes of God. And we all know that God is so worthy to be praised, somebody we can talk about. And so the first thing we want to consider, as is noted on this PowerPoint presentation that you're seeing, is a quotation from Tozer, which says, "What we believe about God is the most important thing about us." And so we note that the word God is widely used. And there are various views of God. And I know that you have your own views about God. But here are some that persons say. They view God as a superhuman person or force, a sentimental grandfather above. We may also consider the word attribute, and it points to an essential characteristic of a person or thing. And we may note various other things as it relates to the attributes of God. And so, as this PowerPoint indicates, God's characteristics reflect his perfection. God's attributes greatly revealed who he is. And if we consider just two of his attributes, we may look at this self-existence and his love. And where self-existence is concerned, we may think about his self-cause. He's independent of everything else. It is revealed in the name Jehovah, the existing one. It is noted in the expression, I am that I am, and it is also implied in the eternity of God. And as we continue, we may look at his love. And we know that love is in the air. Love that is so divine, and it comes from God because we say God is love. So love is not one of the attributes of God, but the summary of his attributes. And there are various words or phrases about God's love. And we can think of God's universal love, his unconditional love. We can think of John 3, verse 16. There is also a video that I want to share with you as it relates to the attributes of God. So this video is here, and I will share with you the link for it. And when you get it, there are some questions that are included in it. I ask you to bear in mind the questions and listen to it carefully, what it talks about as it relates to God himself. And we know that this is important. Engaging today. I know that there's a lot more to talk about, but we continue the discourse another time. Take care, everybody. See you.